guys, today I have some boxes to unbox, obviously. I have a Scrub Daddy box, a Microfiber Wholesale box, and a Grove Collaborative box. So lots of cleaning supplies and tools to share with you guys. These two boxes I haven't opened yet. I have opened this one. I'm gonna do the Grove Collaborative box first. If you guys don't know what Grove Collaborative is, you can order products that are much better for you, like cleaning wise, but not just cleaning products. They have like household products, personal care products, baby products, so like so much stuff. They were running a really good deal last week with Ibotta, which is like a rebate app, so you got 50% back on your purchase. So I got all this for like 20 bucks, so lots of good stuff. Like I said, I opened it already because I made a TikTok, but I'm just gonna like grab things. First thing are these Grove Co cleaning or reusable cleaning bottles. So they're like glass bottles, and then they have like these silicone covers on the bottom, and they say Grove Co on the front, and then on the back it says floor, because this is supposed to be for the floor cleaner. So I really do like these bottles. This is toilet paper. So this is tree-free paper that plants trees, made from 100% bamboo. So nothing too exciting, just some toilet paper. Whoop-de-doo. But next are these two glass cleaner concentrates. So these would go like in those glass spray bottles. This is orange and rosemary. I'm excited to try them, but I do love my spray away glass cleaner, so it's gonna be hard to like something better, but I'm always open to try. Next are these Grove Co tree-free compose. Oh my goodness, I can't speak. Compostable, that sounds weird, kitchen wipes. So there's 40 wipes. They're not disinfecting wipes, but they're good to just give your kitchen a quick wipe down, so I'm really excited to try these out. Next up, I got the E-Cloth Deep Clean Mop Head. So I bought the E-Cloth mop a couple weeks ago, and it came with a mop head, and I used it last week and I really liked it, so I got another mop head so that I can use it at like separate houses if I have more than one house. Next up, I got the Stalemates individually wrapped flushable wipe. These are good to just keep in your purse or bag. I got some Grove Co tree-free tissues. Not anything exciting, but you know. The last thing I got, which I'm most excited for, is the Aunt Fanny's glass and window cleaner. I've really been enjoying the Aunt Fanny's wood cleaner. That's like my new favorite one, so I'm excited to try this. Like I said with the other glass cleaner, I really love my spray away one, so it's gonna be hard to like find something else I like, but I'm open to trying. All right, now on to the boxes that I have not opened yet, so I don't know what is in them. So Microfiber Wholesale, you can order a lot of their stuff through Amazon. And I ended up actually ordering some microfiber cloths, not realizing that it was this brand. So that's when I was like, oh, like I'm interested in trying more of your stuff. So I reached out to them. So they sent me this ambassador kit, and I'm excited to see. Oh my gosh, there's a shirt. I'm already super excited. All I wear is like graphic t-shirts, as you can see. All right, let's pull that out first. So it says, so fresh and so clean, Microfiber Wholesale. I love this blue color. That is so cute. And it's like a little bit bigger, which I like my shirts to be not super like tight fitting. These are microfiber scrubbing sponges. Scrub pots, pans, dishes, wipe countertops clean. I've actually been thinking about getting these because, you know, when you like clean the countertops with dish soap, a lot of times I squeegee the counters, but this would be a lot better. Oh, a tripod. Actually, that's good because the one I'm using right now is like broken, so perfect timing. A flexible tripod. Quick cloth, double-sided ultra-fine microfiber cloth. This is so cute. It has like flowers on it. Oh, there's a 2-pack. These are perfect for like your glasses too. I've been thinking about ordering something because I feel like my glasses get so dirty. Oh, I like these, and the texture, that's awesome. These are, so these are glass cloths. Clean the glass with the Damp Buff Pro Green Cloth. So you clean them with this, and then you dry them with these. This is, ooh, a portable charger. I feel like they read my mind. I have like half of these things in my Amazon store. It's a wireless power bank. That's awesome. I need one of these. All right, last thing I think are microfiber cloths. It's so funny, I just ordered the purple one, so I have more. There's blue, blue, pink, and purple, which is great. I love the purple ones. I used them last week at my cleaning, and I love them. They're big and they're really absorbent. So I'm excited to try all of these out, and I'm gonna have I have different colors for different rooms. So purple is for the kitchen. I think I'm gonna do blue for like bathrooms, and I'm not sure what the pink is gonna be for. This is so exciting. Thank you, Microfiber Wholesale, if you guys see this. Last box is from Scrub Daddy. I've talked about Scrub Daddy before. I love their products, but they've definitely expanded. Like when I first found them, I thought it was just like their like Scrub Daddy sponge, but they have so many products and tools. So link their website down below. And Scrub Daddy sent me this box, so like I said, I have no idea what is in here. Oh my gosh! It's like cleaning heaven in here. Look at all that fun stuff. Alright, we're just gonna like grab and see what we have. First is the Dish Daddy. I actually have one of these. I haven't used it yet, which I don't know why. So this is just like a push to use it. But Dish Daddy is relatively new. It's just like a dish wand with, of course, that Scrub Daddy smiley face on it. And it's cool because you can like put it on the end of your sink, and this will like take all the excess water and have it drip back in your sink so you don't have a wet mess. Yeah, I think I have the blue one. There's a blue handle, a yellow handle, and a gray handle. That you can only get the gray handle at Target, I believe. Ooh, yes, yes, yes. Oh my gosh, guys, I've been wanting to order this for my mom because I don't grill. She grills. It's the Barbecue Daddy Steam Cleaning Grill Scrubber. So it's water activated. It's a stainless steel scraper, great lifter, bottle opener. Oh my gosh, she's gonna be excited to use this. So we got a Scrub Mommy and a Scrub Daddy. These are the dye-free ones, which are my favorite. So if you guys don't know the difference, the Scrub Daddy was like the original product. It's flex texture material, so it gets warm, or it gets soft in warm water and firm in cold water. So the whole sponge is the flex texture, and then the Scrub Mommy, the front part, this part is flex texture, and the other side is, what is it, Resifoam. So it absorbs more water and makes more suds than an ordinary sponge. Scrub Mommies are my favorite because I like the dual-sided scrubber, but Scrub Daddies are amazing too. So I got a Scrub Mommy and a Scrub Daddy, the dye-free ones. I got some more Scrub Babies. So this is just like a Scrub Daddy and a Scrub Mommy, but they're smaller. And Vanessa, you guys know her from TikTok. She is like the creator of these. She works with Scrub Daddy. So they're just, because she said that she liked them because she has smaller hands, which I don't know. I think I have long fingers, or like fat fingers, but I don't know if my hands are small compared to like normal people. But they're just like smaller Scrub Daddies and Scrub Mommies. I got some special edition Scrub Daddies. These are like the Valentine heart ones. I actually have some of these and I forgot to put them out last Valentine, so now I definitely do. I got a ton of the Scour Daddies. These are amazing for like almost anything in the kitchen. They're scratch free. Oh, we got more Scour Daddies, just different colors. So there's blue, yellow, and orange. And they come in a 3-pack. I'm stocked on Scour Daddies forever. This is like not even half the stuff, guys. I don't even know what to grab. These are Eraser Daddies. So you guys know what Magic Erasers are, the Mr. Clean brand. These are like 10 times better because they last longer. And on top of them being like that same material, they have a scrubber on the back. So it's like 2-in-1. And like I said, they last a lot longer. So they come in a 2-pack. I think they're like $5 for a 2-pack. And they last a long time, so I think it's worth it. I got some Power Paste, the Powerful Natural Cleaner, and it comes with the Scrub Mommy in it. I already have like 2 of them, I think. I don't use it as much as I should, but it is amazing. Especially, I love to use it in sinks, showers, ovens, stove, like anything in the kitchen and in the bathroom. And it's a natural cleaner, which is even better. I gotta put these out soon since it's summer. So this is the Scrub Daddy Special Edition summer scrubbers. So it comes with an octopus, a crab, and I think this is like a shark, if I'm not mistaken. If you guys don't know, they have like themed sponges for like every holiday and season. So this is perfect for summer. I gotta put some of these out. This is a 4-pack of the Scrub Daddies. So I got 2 packs of the Scrub Daddy microfiber cloths. These are so soft, guys. So soft. Microfiber cloths, just, I think they're a little bit smaller than like the ones I just showed you from Microfiber Wholesale, but they are amazing and they remove 99% of bacteria. Ooh, I got 3 Scrub Mommies. Like I said, Scrub Mommies are my favorite. So they're dual-sided. One side's a scrubber and one side's like a regular sponge. And these are like, whoo, these are like the pink ones. This is the Daddy Caddy. So you like stick it in your sink and you can stick your sponge on it and it'll hold your sponge. Ooh, a mask. Oh my god, we gotta put this. Maybe we can put this on that dog. It's a Scrub Daddy. I think it's a bib, but we can use it as like a... It says, I'm a scrub baby. So we have my dog, Chevy, but we are fostering another dog. So I might put this on her. Because I don't think Chevy is gonna like that. Guys, what did I just say about clothes? I love wearing graphic tees. It's all I wear. They sent me 3 Scrub Daddy shirts. One for the whole fam. Is this like a blow up? I'll give you guys a close up eventually when I take it out. I think it's like a floaty. Oh my god. I want to see what this is. I'll have to do this after I'm done. There's a couple more things. So we got these Screen Daddies Good because I ran out of these. These are great for cleaning like your phone screens, computer screens, and you can stick them like on the back. Where's my phone? Like you have a pop socket on the back so you can just stick them on there. All right, last thing. I'm assuming this is a mug because I have one that I ordered and I think it came in like this same packaging, but I guess we'll see. Yes, it's another mug, which is funny because my mom, she saw the one I had. She's like, this is like the perfect size mug, so she can use this one because I don't let her use mine. It's just a Scrub Daddy mug. It's a Scrub Daddy on both sides and it's orange on the inside. And it's like perfect because it's not like a tall mug. It's so cute and little. All right, that's everything. Oh my goodness, guys. Oh, thank you so much, Scrub Daddy. I'm literally stocked up, which is great because I've been thinking about doing some free cleaning. So all of these supplies will definitely help me. And my mom's going to be happy about this barbecue one. And the dog is going to like this. So much fun stuff. All right, let me clear this off. All right, guys, that was everything that I had to unbox. So much stuff. Now I got to put it all away and figure out where it all goes. But I'm so excited. Thank you, Microfiber Wholesale and Scrub Daddy, for sending me those boxes. And I'm going to go put this on the dog now. So I will see you guys later. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up. And check me out on TikTok. I post daily over there because it's just easier. And yeah, have a great day, guys. Bye.